Jessica!
Stand up, wake up, please. Wake up.
Touch me!
Wait.
What? What do you do? What do you do? Babe! Babe, please!
Leave Van.
Babe, wait now! I want to know if you love me!
Ha! So why they do like this now? Go check your babe now. Why they do like this now?
Jessica.
Sorry.
Jessica!
I've changed! Don't start at all! I've changed!
Calm down. Stand up.
The camera, are you okay? Which camera are you carrying? Don't touch me. What's wrong with you?
What is this now?
They tell me about you call water.
Which kind of TV this now? You can't leave your babe come out.
Wait now.
Wait now!
Yeah,
what do you want to do now? It has happened now. What do you want to do? Go away, Joe. You're just making me get angry. I swear, I'm taking this thing. Give me the phone. I'm scared of you. What's your problem? What's your problem? You shut up, I beg. I and my boyfriend came to inspect his site, his ongoing project. So I want to prank him. This guy has been showing me love all these days. So I just want to know the amount of love he has. Come, let me show you guys where he is. This is actually his new house. Yeah. I'm going to be a landlady. Come. Listen. Where? Set it. Go and set it. So I just want to know how the amount of love my boyfriend has for me right now. Do you know? Shh. Babe, my stomach. Babe, please. My stomach.
Calm down. What happened now?
My ulcer.
Wait, Jessica, what is this now?
Babe, my stomach, please.
Leave Van. Leave Van.
Babe, wait now.
What is this now? Just come.
My stomach.
What is this now?
Babe, why do you be like this now? Babe, my stomach.
Both of you shout everywhere we go. What's wrong with you?
Stop. Babe, please.
Leave me now.
Babe, please.
Stop. This is a prank. Now, don't indulge your mood again. What's wrong? Turn up on them. Everywhere you can't camera go everywhere. They disgrace somebody. Are you okay?
Tom. Jessica. Tom. Hey. Oh, stand up. What happened? Sorry. Stand up now. Your stomach. Sorry. Sorry. Tom! Ha! Tom, this is getting serious now. Sorry. Stand up. Tom! Why they do like this now? Go check your babe now. Why they do like this now? Sorry. Tom! Sorry. Tom! Why they do like this now? Sorry, please. Tom! Come and check your bed now.
Leave this girl now. Now, trick she do. Leave her. I know her. She doesn't carry camera again.
She know they wake up now. Why they do like this now? Sorry, do.
Jessica.
Sorry.
Jessica.
You know they come on speed. More carry this girl now. Why they do like this now?
Jessica. Wait. Jessica.
Now full self with this.
Calm down. Calm down. What's wrong with you?
Calm down. Stand up. Stop.
What's wrong with you? Wait now. What's wrong with you? What you do? So let me call somebody for her.
Wow, call that.
Let me come outside now. The camera. Are you okay? Which camera are you carrying?
Wow, call that.
The camera for now. What's wrong?
Hello. Wow, call that. Let's see the best. Wow, call that.
Jessica.
Carry her up now.
Jessica.
Stand up, wake up, please. Wake up. Which kind of TV this now? You can't leave your babe come out.
Wait.
You do something like this now. Why you can't leave your babe come out, go inside?
Wait, Miss Damage, wait.
Which kind of tea be this? Eh? Which kind of tea? For this kind of country.
Jessica, what's the problem now?
But they don't talk, say person don't use person
Beg
to
me
blood
phone,
money.
beg me phone.
Just call anybody when you do a beg. Call. Which kind of tea?
Jessica, wait, calm down, wait, I'm coming. Wait now.
Calm down. Jessica. Calm down, babe.
Which kind of body? Wait now, wait. One leg. Everyone leg.
Stop. Jessica. Oh God, which kind of tea be this now?
Let me call this guy. Come now for front now. Let me call him. Come beg.
Babe, who are you calling? Come closer. Who are you calling? Babe, what now? Look at the way you left me. As me, it was real.
I can't see you.
What's the video of this now?
Sorry to Sammy. I just wanted to prank my boyfriend now.
How?
Babe.
God is scared.
Don't touch me. What's wrong with you?
What is it now?
They my body call water.
Dirty your body.
We cannot say this
Don't
one.
you love me? Stop all these things now.
Jessica, what me? Me
No,
and
we
you
have
cause
passed all
somewhere.
these things now. Stop
We
now.
We came here for something here. So what are you not doing?
We came here for something. I just wanted to know if you love me. Okay, you don't love me. And why are you doing like that?
What's wrong with you now?
Okay.
Which can't love me that one?
Calm down.
I said after this girl. Look at
Must you always get angry? What's your problem? I just wanted to prank you.
Okay, you want to prank me?
Can't you see that it's prank? It's a prank. Collect it as a
Everywhere,
prank.
now everywhere made they go, now you feel yourself, Abi.
Sorry,
Everywhere made they go,
I'm
now
sorry,
you
I'm
feel
sorry. Thank you very much.
What's wrong with
What
you?
do you have to shout? Do you have to shout? What is it? I just wanted to know if you love me. And now you're not making it look like it's a sin. Oh yeah, now go outside and shout. Go outside.
Okay.
Go outside and
This
shout
is
now.
how to prove your love, Abi. Now,
I want to know if you love me.
You want to know if
You don't even love me because you left me at the first place. Why did you leave me at the first place?
This guy.
Why? It was only Tusabi that
This
saved
guy.
me. So if something was going to happen to me, that's how you would have left me. Is that how you would have left me? Is that how you would have left me? And you're talking. You're opening your mouth. You have to get angry. No, talk to me. You have to get angry.
you did somewhere.
We are somewhere. Where are we?
Why not shout?
It is not your house.
You want to make people come
Don't
outside.
explain yourself.
What's wrong
Calm
with
down.
you? Is that where you now everywhere made they go? Now you want to make they do your content, they do all this up or down. Stop it too. I don't like it all this one. Can't make me fear. See my body now.
Sorry, but I just said sorry. Must you want to make it look like this thing? I say sorry. I understand that, okay, I made you guys panic. But I'm saying sorry. Sure you understand what I'm saying now? It's a prank. Anybody can do prank. And you're not like want to turn it to fight.
It as a prank.
Call the football ground.
Okay, so now what do you want to do
why
now?
you call the phone
It has
ground?
happened now. What do you want to do?
Why you call the phone
It has happened. What do you want
I'm
to
saying you
do?
don't-
What's your problem, Sef? I beg. I know his job. Is it not him? Even the first time, Sef, when I was even calling you, you left. It was only to Sabi that only carried it.
Because I don't think you don't feel
And
yourself.
you didn't explain yourself. You didn't explain yourself. See, I've changed, oh. I've changed. Don't start at all. I've changed. Are you hearing me? I have changed. I just wanted to make things better.
We came somewhere for something else. You just shout for. Okay, you want everywhere we go now. Now you want make people they know. This what with this now? Shoot the content. None of this will do all those.
What are you saying?
Why? Okay,
You shut up, I beg. Shut up. What's your problem, Sef? Go away, Joe. You're just making me get angry. Touch me. What do you have to do? What do you have to do? What do you have to do? No. Do what you have to do. Do it. This I'm scared of you. I'm not scared of you. What is your problem? I'll knock it on your head. Nonsense. Give me alone. I swear, I'll check this thing. Give me the phone.